You can see right here, it's already, it'll caress here anytime, especially in certain spots. It won't be long, it'll be over into neon from this area. It's about to come over this bridge. You know, you cannot do nothing with flood.
Yep.
Fires you can put out with water, but water, there's something, it just has a mind of its own, and it's going to go where it needs to go. And like a lot of places that wasn't flooded, the hills, like right here, they are slipping, and people, you know, can lose their homes very easy to mudslides. Very, very easy. And let me tell you something, they're calling for several more inches of rain on top of this, and then turning into snow. We're going to be in trouble. I think we're going to be in trouble. Something don't hit pretty soon.